Hello and welcome to another Hostinger Academy video. My name is Gvidas and today in this video I will share with you 7 ways how to make money online. I have tested these methods myself and without doubt they have enough potential to become a full-time career. It will require some time and effort, but potential is here. Alright, so let's start with the very first method, which can easily turn into full-time career. So the first method is you can start a blog. Just pick a niche that you feel comfortable with because you will need to pump out a lot of content. It can be any type of blog. You could start a lifestyle blog, fishing blog, or any other type of blog. To start your blog, I would recommend you using WordPress. And if you're not sure how to create your blog, you can check out some of our content on how you can easily create your own personal blog. And if you'll decide to use Hostinger.com as your hosting provider, don't forget to use code HA10 to get 10% discount off your hosting. Next method, you could start an online store using WordPress and WooCommerce. Basically, you have two options. You could sell physical goods or you could start a dropshipping store. But don't forget, starting a website or online store, it's just the beginning because you will need to attract customers to your online store. So don't forget that you'll have to focus on search engine optimization, you will need to grow your social media profiles, and don't forget about advertising channels like Facebook ads, Google ads, Reddit ads, or any other. Next method, you could create your own digital course. Maybe you have some skills with Photoshop, WordPress, maybe you know how to play a guitar. That's great because you can easily create your own online course and sell it at Udemy, Bidegree, or Skillshare. And if you want to go one step further, you could create your website with a landing page where you sell your course. To promote it, you can use Google ads, Facebook ads, Pinterest ads, or any other advertising platform. Next, you could sell crafts on Etsy. Maybe you are a crafty person, you know how to create things. That's great because you can sell them on Etsy. But before you do that, make sure that there's demand for your creations. You should have your own unique style to stand out from the competition and ask yourself if your time and material will pay off in the long run. Alright, the next method is you could start selling your art or designs online. There are such websites as society6.com, redbubble.com, or if you want, you can go one step further and create your own print-on-demand website. To do this, you can use WooCommerce and Printful.com. Next, you could start a YouTube channel. It's similar to starting a blog, except you will be making content in video format. Choose your niche. It could be entertaining content or educational content, because those two types of content are the most popular on YouTube. Once your channel reaches 1,000 subscribers and it hits 4,000 watch hours, you will be able to monetize it with Google Ads. Once your channel starts to grow even more, you can always start selling merch as well. To successfully grow your YouTube channel, don't forget to optimize your videos. Do your keyword research and know what type of content performs the best. And the last method, you can always become a freelancer. Maybe you have some skills that are needed, maybe you know some graphic design, maybe you know how to edit videos, or anything similar. You can freelance at such websites as Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, or any other. There are plenty of them. If you want to find more, you can look it up on Google. I completely understand that competition is very high, but hey, you can always narrow your field. For example, if you are a freelance writer, you could offer such services as writing blog posts about cats or dogs. You get the point. But chasing money-making methods is a valuable experience, and your time won't be wasted. So thanks a lot for watching. If you have any suggestions or questions, leave us a comment. And if you found this video interesting, don't forget to smash like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and as always, good luck on your online journey.